What's going on, guys? Back on another video. So today we're going to be playing some more roblox. Don't worry, guys, we are going to be doing vlogs in the near future. I haven't done a vlog in like 5-6 months. It's because my camera has been broken. So there was no way for me to do a vlog, and I wanted to get it fixed. So I'm thinking I'm getting it fixed in like around Christmas time. So that is what we're going to be doing. Vlogs near future, so just bear with me. So right now we're going to be playing Roblox Titanic. So I bought some stuff, like some VIP stuff to make me faster, and then I bought some realistic lighting. So I already it have I activated? Oh, what the heck? What happened? Oh, I kind of activated this. That's the VIP room. Okay, so we are going to be playing. Oh god, nothing about it's gone. Okay, so we're going to that. Okay, so now we're at the bridge. So I put realistic lighting on, so like when the water is connected with light inside the ship, it's gonna have that green color, like pool. Look, like we're going down here. There's light. See how the water's kind of green because there's lighting, like there's lights around it, like it's like some light, so that's why it's green. And then when there's like no lights, it's all dark blue. So I put realistic lighting on. That's crew member. I have first class. See, I'm the only first class. When I type, it's purple. See, everyone else? Hello. Purple. So we're gonna get rid of the chat. I think I passed Grand Staircase. Yeah, I did. The music. So sad. So I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can hear the music because it's just so damn good. So here's the music. And the reason why my mic is so god dang loud is because it's right next to my mouth. I just put it there because I don't know why, but I'm gonna stop doing that. So yeah, here's the music. Hopefully they can hear it. Oh shoot! What the? Oh god! Oh my god! That looks like I hurt. No! Okay, music's done. I don't know what's happening next. Oh. Not done yet. Oh! No! Ooh! Ooh! Oh! Get on! Pulling it up. It's pulling it up. It's pulling it up. Goodbye. Goodbye, Titanic. There's a boat on fire? What? Butter at him. Butter at him. But oh, look at the bottom. Butter at him. Butter at him. Oh man, the lighting though. Like I put realistic lighting on, so it's gonna look darker. Bottom. Da-da-dum. The music's back in, guys. Here's the music. Oh, that guy's gonna jump! No! Okay, right there, look. No! No! The ship so speeds away. I gotta pull back because one of these things pull some of the boats down, so I'm gonna go a little back. Oh, it's coming back up. Never mind. No! Oh, that guy just jumped! Oh no! Oh shoot, it's gonna blow some people away. Hello? Hey, kid, move! Oh my God, Joe! Joe! The frick? We're being swamped. Ah! We're being mobbed. Oh God! Yeah, look at all guys, they just swamped. They'll swamp us. Titanic sinks 2.5 hours after hitting an ice of 700 rescue. Probably 1,500 noted. Noted names missing. Carl Astor and the bride and wife and mentor put aboard. Rules of the sea followed. Women and children put over in lifeboats. We were supposed to be safe on Carpathia. We picked up after 8 hours. This is because the whites are lighting news of Mia father and leaving weeping. Franklin, hopefully old, the manager of the line, said Titanic was unsinkable after she had gone down, head of the line aboard, lifted the saved. Wow, that's pretty cool. A point chest spawn. Be the first to find it somewhere on the ship. Bow. Look at the lighting, though. Hey. Whoo, look at that. Love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I think I died, so I'm going to have to turn it back on. Let's see. Activate, activate, activate. Okay, it should. Hang on. Alright. Alright, guys, so I will see you all. Oh, look at the water. I like to see that. Alright, so I'll see you all in the next one. Peace, boy.